as you can see, got my Jeep and everything. Time to do the spark plugs. There's the before and after. This is the one that was giving me the misfire. Got this changed right here. So you see that's where that is. Yeah, got a few. I got the old coil packed out, got the new one in. Cables look good, but I might replace those anyway. But this is step one, size 16. Got this out, took this out. I got lubricant for right here, and then I got lubricant also for the boots as well. That's in my pocket. If they come with a plastic piece, that means they're already pre-measured. These ones came with wooden, but I would figure that they're already pre-measured and everything. But as you can also tell, I got my hose in, and I got my other hose down there. Yeah. I got my, so right here, for those that don't know this plastic piece, when you add the Mishimoto Radiator, which is what I got, because my old one was leaking, it is bigger than the normal one, and so this thing right there comes up a little more and it won't slide in. Like, it's just too big. So I just cut off a little bit, like with just with scissors, whoop, slipped right in, went flat down. These little tabs are able to go flat down, but yeah, reservoir, sorry, it's a little blurry. It was a little bit down, but that's all right. All right, got all three of them out on this side. 2, 4, 6. So 2 was the one that was giving me problems. That's what I got the misfire for. But then I looked at number 4, and look at how bad these are. I don't think they've ever been changed. Now I'm running 154,000 miles. This is number 4. Yeah. Dude. And then here's number 6. It's like all the way worn down. Like, these were due to be changed. I'm sorry, Jeep. I have no clue what to do. Yeah, buddy. Don't those hoses just look sick? $20 more. You could have got red or blue. And I was like, $20 for a color? Nah, let's just go with camo, man. But there we go. This is my reservoir is a little bit low. I've just been adding coolant after coolant, but I think just been adding a little bit here and there. I'm gonna check for leaks after I'm done. I don't think there are any, but I don't know, I'm just paranoid. Like, oh fuck. You see there's no drainage on the radiator. Walk around this side. I don't see any on this side. Damn, dude. Did I really drop something down there? So that, yeah, this is where I dropped a little bit of oil. Let's see if I can zoom out on my phone. Yeah, recording this all on my phone. Did that part blindfolded. Or not blindfolded, but just by feel. Got that done. So there's a Jeep. Alright, see there, that's not from me. That's from previous. But I am going to check that out. But looking under here, I don't see any coolant right there. So, but I'm going to check that out. Am I dripping? But yeah, time to lube these bad boys up. Get them back in. And then before I put the pack on, or coil pack, definitely gonna do the other side though, first. Actually, no, I think I'll put it on, and then undo it. There we go. Alright, update. These three are in. It is on, nice and tight, 246. Mine were easy. They have the numbers on the inside in case you ever like get mixed up. They just snap right in. Like, pretty easy. Didn't want to over tight those, so as soon as it like stopped like that, I was done. I didn't want to over tighten breaking it. Now, some people have gone through the wheelbase, and you can, but that looks a little tricky. You have to take out the tire, do that, and depending on your skill and how comfortable you are, you can go however you want. Yellow top is done. Best battery in the world. Love it, love it. I already got the one off. Come on. Yep, got that one off. I'm working on that one. Then the other one is back there. But these cables move are pretty flexible, so I feel like I'm confident enough that I can get it done. Alright, focus up, focus up. There we go. We can do this. Got my cowboy boots, chilling, tank top, some gloves, basic tools. Yeah, a year ago, I only knew how to change a tire, and I've ended up doing a whole bunch to my Jeep. I'm like, man, America! Got this. Just two more. We just switch it out, pop, pop, pop. I already got the measurements and torque wrench stuff right there. Good to go. However, there's a little leak, like a little water leak, right under my Jeep that I am now paranoid about, and I want to figure it out. But these things first. Alright, got it undone. I just got that little piece right in there. Good to go. Got that one done. However, I accidentally snapped this little guy off. I think it's for like getting the screw or something. I don't know. I put my foot down on there, stood on that, loosened all three up. Good to go. Alright, alright, alright. Got them all out. Got the three out. Tire's still on. That thing is still on. Good to go. About to put the rest in. Yeah, as you can see, yeah. Well, that's where number 5 would go. It's pretty flexible. Like, there's a lot of room for me to work with. And then, like, 1, 3, 5. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, pretty simple. Got those hanging up there. Got that off. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Alright, moment of truth. Got everything in. Got the coils. Put a couple of zip ties right there. Keep that in place. Put that snug in there. Got everything. Made sure I heard click. And then came over here, plugged these bad boys back in. This one, when I was taking it out, the rubber piece, as usually the coil thing was back there. Rubber piece kept sliding, but it was staying on. So I put it on. It won't go as far, but I figured it clicked. It's good. I try to pull it as much as I can. Yeah, and then got obviously that piece back on. Moment of truth. Part that makes me the most nervous. Did I do a good enough job? Did I do something wrong? Alright. Let's try it out. Actually, I wonder if I can just do this. Oh, dumbass. I forgot to put the terminal back on. Dumbass Nelson. Oh my goodness. Rookie move. Rookie move. Alright, moment of truth. Did I do everything right? Lights work. It probably won't do it because the hood's up. Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright, I'll just put the key in. Yeah. Starts. program this to my favorite radio station. Yep. Favorite radio stations, I have 2 of them. Got my jazz on number 1, my classical number 2. Other than that, I got everything right there. Got audio settings, got to redo all of my audio, so I like higher treble. Yeah, so far so good. Zoom out. Then this is where the bass starts. It's about 1K, but I'd like to go -2 because I have a lot of bass, and I don't want to blow everything out. Alright, we'll see how it goes. So far so good. Got my coolant. Good. If I get checked into line, we'll go from there. Next thing, if I do get it, I will replace my wires, but that's a simple, easy fix. I don't have to really do a whole lot, but done.